Murag nugamay na gyud ta. Atong gahapon nugamay, karon nudaghan ta to ganina nugamay. So, ladies and gentlemen, for awarding to Certificate of Engineer Ramil Sirda. So, special and the only one because tomorrow, marami na siya. Ngayon, kasi si engineer, uuwi kasi ng Surigao. Kaya ito, madalian, parang rush. So, Bae Dinagat, where is she? Come here, darling. Nasaan? Nasaan?
Salapit! Uy! Tulit! Isalat!
Oh my gosh. Tuloy. Tuloy. Maawa ka naman sa sarili mo. Ano ba yan? Bakit kasi hindi hinangga?
Kanta mo na ikaw, Ma!
Ladies and gentlemen, Engineer Ramil Sirda is awardee of Certificate of X Global World GOI 101 Certification Award. This certificate award of God Good Life Hugpong Federal Judge Pihaw in Remores Dabis Dab. Engineer Ramil Sirda, Project Planning Pares Orient, Caraga, Republic of the Philippines. Please welcome. Plakpak! Parang hinay, walang kintal. Ulang!
Pakpak!
Ay, sorry. Sarbida? Ay. Okay. Wrong error. Sarbida naman. Oh. Thank you, Engineer, for your awarding certificate. God Good Life. So, napili ka ni Judge Pihaw in Remores, Dab is Dab. For sa Project Planning Pares Orient, Caraga, Republic of the Philippines. Plak-plak ulit!
Pakpak!
Yan! Parang gaganahan ako ngayon